I'm going to teach you about today about the weathering and its causes. So what is weathering? Weathering is the process by which it erode the rock, stone, cliffs and the areas where the water touches. So these it take time, it take a period of time to erode these process. So you can look over here with this stone, it's also the same process of weathering. And what is the process, what is the cause of this one? This is because of the rainfall and a period of time. It takes time to make these kinds of hole. You can look over here. If my hand is coming down, going down. So these are the process by which they erode these areas. Like it takes time. How it takes time? Because the rainfall in daytime and nighttime it gets freezed. So even in the rainfall it touch again and again, it take a time and it make a this process. Here we find the first type of weathering of water. What? When the water comes from that side, what happening? It erode when it come with the full speed in the mountainous area, so it erode the mountains as well. So that is a kind of also a weathering. You can look at it over here, it make it smooth. Why? In summertime water come up from this and it erode that area. Then you will find over here, look at this one, and you will look the process by which make it a cracks on the mountain as well. Like you can also look over there, while the water go touch over that wall area, so it fell down. So you can look on the down how they change the shape, how it make it smooth. And this is why, because of the water, it follow the river flow and it erode that areas. Stone is in daytime. What is this process? How it cracked? The process is, the cause of this crack is when in daytime rainfall or snowfall over here or rainfall over here, what happening in night time, it get freeze. So what happening, it expand their areas of this crack. You can also look on that stone, maybe in within 100 years, after 100 years or 200 years, this would be also crack, with a big crack it would be. So you can look over here, it is also the process is take time. It take time to this process. Sure. Okay, another process of the water of the river, what happening? It changes shapes and it erode the areas. You can look over here, the areas of different waterways are there. You can look from my back side. That water, some are going on that side, some are coming over here, some are big, some are small. What happening? Water is eroding the soil and it go find a ways for their way. So you can look on the back side. This is also the process of water one. Here you can look about this stone, how it come from in the forward in front. So this is the process by biologically, it's because of that plants are coming in the middle of the cracks. So what happen, it expand his places and it erode. It also take lot of time to this process. Of another side of the stone, you can look over here. You can also look over here how that erode, it take time. And I will show you something else. It make, because of water, it make place over here where water stored here because of this stone. So this is also the process of the water rainfall or snowfall. So this is the stone. You can look the shape how it change because of weathering. Here we look about this process, how it's happening. The two expand, it make a way over here. This process, you can look over here, the way is because of wind erosion. Wind come from the southern side and it hits this one, and only the stones were remaining over here. If we will touch over here, look at here, it would be fell down. So what happening, the wind just touch over here, the small particle of soil, sand, it take with us and go it and deposited it on another place. You can come over here, look the process of how, what are the ways that the soils were not found over here, only the stones remaining over here. So it take also process. This is called a wind erosion. process of sunlight weathering. That we can look over here, the shape of the upper side of my surrounding over here into there, you find it is a reddish. So if we will go in the more depth, it would be different color. This red color is the process by because of sunlight every time over here, so it also change chemical reaction, it change the color of the soil. So if you come to near to me, I will show you on the depth, and you will find over here black, and you can look on the upper side, it changed it to red color, the soil and the stone. So you can look on the depth, there is different color of black one. Look at here, and you can change this one over here. Look at the two different of the soil because of weathering. The color of the soils and the stone, you can see it's a reddish. Why? Because of this is the process of sunlight. When the sun come and it change the colors of that soil. So if you come over here, I will show you about, look at the upper surface how it is, and now you can look on the depth. If you look on here, that is two different color of the soil, and look at this one and look at this one, it's different. So this is called a sunlight process.